I had ugly teeth and cavities for years as a result of poor dental hygiene as a kid. In fact, it was one of the biggest things I wanted to change about myself when I first discovered Neville and the law. I had went to the dentist to have some repair work done years prior and was told that I would need root canals on all of my front teeth. I was told fillings were not an option. A root canal is where they basically kill the tooth and put a cap on it. I didn't want this. I wanted my teeth. So I turned to the law. But I think for a long time I was failing to be persistent and have faith. I tried many things, imagining various scenarios, subliminals, supplements, etc. Usually my imagining consisted of looking in the mirror and seeing myself with perfect teeth. Or maybe people complimenting me. While I noticed my teeth got stronger and healthier, there was no real visible improvement. At some point, I gave it a rest and just went on with life. However, I didn't completely drop it. I continued to take supplements and would occasionally try various things to manifest good teeth. I was obviously wanting my teeth to heal and regenerate naturally. Fast forward a few years. I got married. As a result of getting married, I got approved for better insurance. I had always had dental insurance through my job, but it didn't cover things like root canals to the extent that it was an affordable option and, as I said, it's not something I wanted. After getting approved for the new insurance, I went to a dentist about a bad cavity on one of my back teeth as it was causing pain. After X-rays and evaluating everything, they gave me a complete care plan. Basically a plan to fix everything in my mouth. To my surprise, he didn't even mention a root canal. He offered to do fillings all the way around and it was all covered by my new insurance. So that's what I did. My teeth look and feel great now. While it's not the miraculous and spontaneous regenerative healing I had in mind, I'm still very happy with my teeth now. Unfortunately, I can't even begin to pinpoint which imagining took the prize. I think what I learned is that I should have been persistent in my faith. I refused to accept that it was done and demonstrated my lack of faith every time I decided to reimagine or listen to a subliminal or whatever else. I had this idea that I would either wake up with new teeth or I would be led to find the right supplement or maybe the right subliminal. When I should have just had faith and let it come. Because ultimately what mattered was that it happened and I was happy with it. That's what I had imagined. Looking into the mirror and seeing myself smiling back with beautiful teeth. And that's what I got. I think I kept pushing up and down on the elevator buttons, as Joseph Murphy would say. And I think that likely prolonged the process far more than it would have, had I simply had faith and been persistent. So be persistent. Have faith in what you imagine and refuse to be swayed by your senses. What you imagine is real. Accept it wholeheartedly and persist, regardless of how long it takes, or what circumstances are presented to make you believe that you weren't heard.